We are all wounded and flawed individuals. The human experience is complex and multifaceted, shaped by a myriad of experiences, emotions, and interactions. At the core of this experience lies a profound truth. We are all wounded and flawed individuals. This reality is both a universal aspect of humanity and a deeply personal journey for each of us. The nature of wounds. Wounds can be physical, emotional, or psychological. They can stem from past traumas, current stressors, or the inherent vulnerabilities of the human condition. These wounds often leave scars, some visible and others hidden beneath the surface. They can influence our perceptions, behaviors, and relationships, shaping who we are in profound ways. The reality of flaws. Flaws are an intrinsic part of being human. They manifest in our character, actions, and decisions. Whether it's a tendency towards anger, a propensity or procrastination, or a struggle with self-doubt, flaws are a natural part of our makeup. They provide opportunities for growth, learning, and self-improvement. The impact on relationships. Our wounds and flaws significantly impact our relationships with others. They can create barriers, foster misunderstandings, and lead to conflicts. However, they can also serve as bridges, allowing us to connect with others on a deeper level through shared experiences and vulnerabilities. We can build empathy, understanding, and stronger bonds. The path to healing and growth. Acknowledging our wounds and flaws is the first step towards healing and growth. This process involves self-reflection, acceptance, and often the support of others. By embracing our imperfections and working through our pain, we can develop resilience, compassion, and a deeper understanding of ourselves and others. We are all wounded and flawed individuals, each with our unique set of experiences and challenges. This shared humanity is what connects us, what makes us relatable, and what provides the foundation for meaningful relationships and personal growth. For recognizing and embracing our wounds and flaws, we can embark on a journey of healing, self-discovery, and transformation.